PC power cords deliver safe, stable electricity to computers and essential peripherals. My today's video is about top 5 best power cords for desktop PCs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at startech.com, PC power cords. This 10 feet, 3 meters, 18 AWG AC power cord is a reliable replacement cable for computers and office equipment. Featuring a NEMA 5-15P to IEC C13 C13 connection, it's compatible with most North American outlets and works seamlessly with desktop PCs, monitors, printers, scanners, and other devices that use a C13 inlet. Rated for 125V at 10A, it provides stable, consistent power for workstation and home office setups. Safety and durability are key strengths. The cord is UL listed, UL 62 UL 817, and constructed with 100 copper wire for dependable conductivity. Fully molded strain relief connectors enhance longevity, while the VW1 fire rating and durable PVC jacket, SVT, add an extra layer of protection. Designed with IT professionals in mind, this power cord is backed by lifetime support, including free multilingual technical assistance, making it a dependable long-term solution. Now our second product is Amazon Basics PC power cords. This universal 6-foot replacement power cord is a simple yet dependable solution for powering everyday electronics. Designed with an 18 AWG construction and a standard NEMA 5-15P to IEC C13 connection, it's compatible with most desktop PCs, monitors, printers, and other devices that use a 3-pin power connector. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Just plug it into a standard wall outlet in your device's C13 port. The 6-foot length offers practical flexibility, giving you enough reach for typical home or office setups without creating excess clutter. Safety is also covered, as the cord is UL listed to meet recognized safety standards. Whether you need a replacement cable or a backup for your workspace, this power cord delivers reliable performance, broad compatibility, and peace of mind at an affordable value. Our third product is Mank PC power cords. This universal 6-foot 3-prong AC power cord is a reliable replacement for monitors, desktop computers, and other compatible devices. Featuring an 18 AWG cable with a NEMA 5-15P to C13 connector, it fits most standard North American outlets and devices that require a 3-pin power connection. The cord is UL listed, ensuring it meets recognized safety standards. Built with a pure copper wire core, it offers excellent conductivity while minimizing heat buildup for stable, efficient power delivery. The durable construction and secure connectors make installation quick and hassle-free. Simply plug into the wall in your device. Its broad compatibility extends to TVs, PCs, monitors, printers, and other electronics with a C13 inlet. Packaged as a single 6-foot cable, it's a practical and affordable choice for replacements or backups, backed by responsive customer support for added peace of mind. Now number 4, C2G PC power cords. This black right-angle power cord is a practical and versatile replacement for your overused or misplaced computer power cords. Its right-angle design makes it ideal for tight spaces, ensuring a neat and convenient setup without bending or stressing the cable. Featuring a female 3-pin connector that plugs directly into your device and a grounded male 3-prong plug for standard outlets, it offers easy and secure connections. The fully molded construction provides heavy-duty durability, ensuring long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Compatibility is broad, supporting PCs, monitors, laptops, printers, scanners, televisions, and any other devices with a 3-pin shroud connector. This universal power cord is perfect as a replacement, backup, or additional cable for home or office setups, combining convenience, durability, and reliable performance in a compact design. And our last choice is C2G PC power cords. This replacement power cord is a versatile and reliable solution for powering PCs, monitors, printers, scanners, and other compatible devices. Designed to replace worn-out or misplaced cables, it also helps extend reach between devices for more convenient setups. Featuring a NEMA 5-15 male plug and a C13 IEC female connector, the cord provides secure and easy connections. Simply plug the male end into a standard outlet and the female end directly into your device. Its practical design allows for efficient power management in home offices, workstations, or shared spaces. Available in lengths up to 8 feet, it offers flexibility without clutter, making it ideal for adding extra distance between devices or replacing an overused power cable. This sturdy, multi-purpose cord ensures consistent power delivery while keeping your workspace organized and functional, making it an essential accessory for any office or home setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.